it's Lee here. Got another day of a Gely postcard play hosted by Ceri Griffiths. So it's jelly print and postcard combination. So 31 postcards featuring a gel printed element for every day of July. So that was my card from yesterday, which I absolutely love. I'll just quickly show you what I've done. That was day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, 6, 7, 8, that's my least favourite, and 9, which was yesterday, that's my favourite. So my favourites, my super favourites are these 4. I think it's the colours, and I just love this spider lady. Alrighty, let's pick a card for today. Put them over there. So I've got all my bases made. Shuffle 3 times, so 3 different shuffles, and whatever ends up in this position is my card for today, unless one drops out in the process. Then that's the one that gets done. So here we go. What is it? Okay, that's a nice one, and that came off the same gel print, I do believe, as, where are we? This one. Part of the same one, just the other end of it, I think. Okay, so it's got a bit of white on it there. I think I'll leave it in this position, this orientation, and I want to try and make this fairly quickly. So I'm just going to think about what I'm going to do. Scrap that I sort of looked at yesterday because I liked the spiral that's on there. I'm going to use that to create some impact on this card, and I've got some words from a magazine or a newspaper magazine by the look at it. Choose your colour palette. So I'm going to put that on there, and I'm just going to make some circles. I want that bright green. So this is day 10. This one. Oh, I kind of want to keep that. I wonder if I can cut that out. I do love it. I couldn't find any more of this. I've got this mirror that I use to look at my work, so I can see what you're seeing, because I can't see it that well from where I'm angled. I might just pop it in my little stand there. So it helps to be able to see something from a little bit further away. So it's like I'm seeing it from about 3 feet away now, and I like what I see. So let me try something. So that might go in there. I kind of want to use this bit. I like that arch. Don't worry, these circles, if I don't end up using them, they're not going to go to waste. Let me just fiddle around with this for a bit. just trim off the excess. So I'll get this on first. Get it as close to the edge as I can. See, that's the bit from in there. I wonder if I can get it in. Because I like the fact that we've got the bits that were taken out next to the bits that they were taken out of. So I'm going to put it in. I'll just put it right into the corner. And I'm going to bring that one down. No, I'm not going to leave it up there. Okay. So that bit can go on next while I think about that. Okay, so just let you know that I do have a playlist on my channel that has a process video for all of my cards that I've done so far, all my postcards. So if you want to catch up with some, if you saw something that you like when I did that little bit of a flick through just before, then there is a video for it. The only one that doesn't have a reasonable video, doesn't really show any process, is day 3, I think, the one with the man and the moon, because I had technical issues that day, as you do. I can't even find the card now. So, oh, this one, yeah. So I didn't get a lot of footage of that. So, but everything else, you can see exactly how I made it all. What have I got? I've got this bit left. I don't think I'll put it in there. I'm just going to trim off the excess. A little bit of glue under there. Massage it in. Okay, so the only other thing I want to put on there is my words and my number. I think I'll separate all those words. I stamped some numbers, so I'm going to use one of them. This is a fiddly little punch. Okay, so trim a little bit off the top. Don't want to cover up too much. Oh, that's about as straight as a dog's hind leg. I can't cut straight. Can't cut straight to save my life. My fingers aren't working today. Okay, so my little number. Just going to go around that with some green ink. This one is Evergreen Bough. Oops, just to put a little bit of green in there. I'm going to put that right there. And now I'll stick down these, and I think I'll just go around this with something on the outside, maybe white crayon or something on the edge. Oop, I only put the wrong word in. Okay, so we can't get them straight. So let's deliberately make them crooked. Let's go there. Like so. Put the lid on the glue. I haven't lost a pin since I stuck my pin through a piece of watercolour paper. So that has worked. I've got a white woody here, so I'm just going to use that to, whoopsie, make a mistake like that. I love the combination of those colours because of the way that they contrast with each other. They're complementary colours, so opposite each other on the colour wheel. If you mix them together, if you mix green paint and orange paint together, you would have something pretty ugly. But because they're completely separate, we have a different story. Now I've got a white edge there that I like, so I'm just going to see if I can get that, take that away. Yeah, that worked. Okay, I am very happy with that. It's lovely and vibrant. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. I'm not going to outline the words or anything like that. I'll just leave them au naturel. Hashtag gelypostcardplay. And this challenge hosted by Ceri Griffiths. So this is day 10. And I'll see you soon for another one. Hugs and cheers from Australia. Stay creative. Hooroo.